Hi, my name is Darren from HUJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today, we have the honor and the privilege of speaking with Adam. Adam, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, Darren. It's Adam Goldman from Franchise Visa. So nice to see you.
Fantastic. Can you comment on the tax and financial planning aspects of the E2 visa process?
I am not a tax accountant, but what I can tell you is that many people tell me,
Yeah.
as a business owner myself for a very long time, it is a great situation to be in where you're able to, especially at the beginning of a business, have a business in order to expense things, right? I'm here in Houston and I am not a huge, I mean, I am a huge sports fan, right?
Mhm.
I don't really necessarily have many clients locally, but if I had clients locally, it would be fair game for me to go ahead and to entertain my clients at a Houston Texans games or Houston Astros game, right? There are all these other things where you could potentially, if you're driving your car to a meeting, this is something that you can deduct from a tax point of view. If you're using part of your house for taxes, that could be a home office as well. Any sort of situation where you have tax advantages from this, and let's not forget about things where you're able to have a retirement account, a pension plan. I
Mhm.
found a situation where I'm able to have, since it's my own business, I'm able to sock money away in a 401k, my
Mhm.
own pension plan. That's a really big advantage.
I gotcha. I get that. That's a fair point that potential E2 visa applicant, most likely they're doing pretty well for themselves in their country of origin, and they may have a portfolio of businesses and other investments and other interests. And it will be interesting to see what they're doing with that franchise fits in to their overall situation. And you're right, we completely agree with you. As an owner of a US business, you get to deduct expenses that are ordinary and necessary to that line of work. And of course, living in the US, you're exposed to taxes on your worldwide income. And so there is an opportunity to spend some time and invest in a decent financial planner to work with you to make sure that you are optimizing your situation across the jurisdictions to which you're exposed, as well as putting something aside in a tax efficient way for the future. It
Absolutely.
makes a lot of sense.
Absolutely. And that's what you guys do, right?
That,
Great.
that is exactly up our
Well,
alley. So
look, I'm a big believer in hiring the right people to do these things, and taxes can be very complicated. It's taxes are the one thing where if you make an investment, you can really get your money back quite quickly.
sure thing. And Adam, if someone wants to get in touch with you, what's the best way to do that?
Best way to do that is to reach out to me, right? My website is franchisevisa.net, and I'd be very happy to chat with you.
Fantastic. Thank you.